Time release fertilizer is my favorite way to fertilize my perennials that I'm just getting planted into my garden beds, my perennials that are already existing, as well as new containers. Let me show you guys how easy it is to use. Once you already know where you want to plant your new plant and you've dug your hole, the best thing you can do is take a tablespoon or so, and just sprinkle it right into the hole. From there, we're just going to plant it as we normally would and give it some nice water. For our pre-existing plants in our gardens already, what we'll do is we'll just take a little handful and sprinkle it around the base of the plant. And the great thing about our all-purpose time-release fertilizer is that it's going to slowly disintegrate into the soil, providing our plants with the nutrients they need over the course of the season. I generally will apply it once every 8 weeks or so. So that's about once at the beginning of the season and then again in the middle of the season. And for our potted plants, it's basically the same. We're gonna take a little handful, just kind of move that foliage back a little bit and sprinkle it right along the edge.